Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are over at the Dollar General and we're talking about the clearance event that's going to be taking place next week. And we're going to be talking about the coupons you should load right now, scouting your store, and is this worth your time? So as stated, the clearance event is going to be taking place from July the 1st to the 5th. I actually pulled aside a manager during the last clearance event, which happened roughly about, a week and some change ago. And I said, hey, you guys having another one? And she said, yes. The idea here is the fact that July 4th is a very busy weekend at the store. They want to move more clearance stuff and just other items as well in the core. So they want to have one that weekend. So it's going to be Wednesday to Sunday. They have rug pulled it before in the past, where they had a slated event and then they just decided at the last minute not to have it. So we'll have to pay attention, but let's do a bit of prep work in case it happens. I recommend you load the coupons that I'm going to talk about in this video. Along with, I also recommend that you scout your store, meaning you go tiptoe around the clearance section, tiptoe around the regular section. Is this stuff in stock at your location, and is it worth your time? And by all means, if you're doing some family stuff on the 4th, you have from the 1st to the 5th to go to the store, but a lot of us see the value in getting this stuff up to 70% off. With coupons, it's usually free. So the last event that they had was the 12th to the 18th of June, so like about 2 weeks ago. And I did find a 70 store, and I know a lot of you were finding 70 stores as well. We'll talk about that next week when I do my preview video. But I was getting carts and carts and like a lot of stuff really, really cheap. And yes, did I go hard on this event? Yes. But here's the thing. There wasn't a lot of people shopping the event, which I was really happy about because I was just able to get so much more stuff than I normally do. I think it has to do with the cost of gas and just the cost of living. Like, people are not stocking up. But at a 70 store with digital coupons, if you know what you're doing and you know how to line things up, yeah, you're getting a lot of stuff for free. And yes, I am using more than one store card as well. I have a couple friends who loan me their cards because they're not out shopping or for whatever reason. But I was able to just get so much stuff, and it was just fantastic. And then as this event led into another week, this one, we're only going to have that Sunday when there's some new coupons. But with the newer coupons and the new list that they put out for even more stuff, I mean, it was just amazing, just the freebies. And I think the second week of the last clearance event, they had a list of a whole bunch of laundry stuff that wasn't ringing up properly. And then boom, everything started ringing up properly, including some of the Downy scent beads, some Gain pods. It was just like amazing. And this isn't even with digital coupons at a 70 store, these prices. Now, we're going to talk now, this portion of the video, the coupons that you should load. This coupon is still valid right into the next clearance event. We have this Act Cinnamon Mouth Rinse that would be 57 cents with the digital coupon. Just to show you, it's valid till the 11th of July. So load this friend. If you can track down Mr. Cinnamon, that's a 57-cent mouth rinse at a 50% off store. We're just going to jog through for the rest of this video the coupons that I think you should load, including the $1 off the Ivory. A lot of that line's been on clearance. We have an 8 off a 2 for FIFA. Now, with that World Cup, I think some stores are going to start clearing that stuff out. Maybe, maybe not, but that's a high value coupon, so why not? We have a 4 off a 2 for the Tresemme. A lot of that line, including stylers, have been clearancing out, and that expiry date isn't till the 11th of July. Look at the dates, because a lot of coupons are expiring towards the 27th of June. We have a 5 off for the Chic, and then a 2 off. That both of them are expiring on the 4th and the 18th. The Sally Hansen on the 3rd, and then that Safeguard 50 cent is on the 4th. Some Old Spice, both expiring on July the 4th. And we have some more shampoo, hair dye, just the typical gamut of stuff that's in the clearance section. So that's why scouting these stores are really, really critical. Are you going to waste your time? Can you find this stuff? Are you looking on Sky Shelves? you can be really amazed what you can find if you put some effort into it. Lots of toothpaste that's still part of this weird clearance event, and hopefully they stock up more stuff. And hopefully on Sunday the 28th, we get a whole bunch of more digital coupons, but these are the ones you would load, except for that last one. The one expires on the 27th for the Clorox spray. And we have these two, that little Airwick plug that expires on July the 11th, and some Advil $4 off, really nice coupon. So just go through your coupons folder and cashbacks. If it has a longer date and it's stuff that you use in your household, load them because we don't know what the clearance event will provide. Are you going, yes or no? Are you going to sit this one out? And are you going to scout your store? Let me know in the comments down below. I really have this prediction that the Dollar General took a look at their books and they were like, uh-oh. So that's why they're hosting an event June, July. Absolutely will be one in August. They usually have one in August, and then they usually have one around Labor Day, and then they'll have the one in October and maybe another one in November. So I think every month we're going to have one till the end of the year. That's just my simple prediction. I might be wrong. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Bye, guys.